Session 5 Parallel Project. We are improving the look and feel of the business website. Part 6, Chapter 7, exercises on the Parallel Project. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is finding 4 images for our rotating image feature, which that will all be on this page, which is basically this section right here. And then that is my JavaScript area for my rotating feature. And then on our home page, we have to create a drop-down menu. And I used one of the free ones that I found on the website because I was having complications with my old one. So I found something that fit better with my page. Still making a couple of adjustments to the CSS worksheet in order to work with my footer on all of the pages, but as of right now, I just have my footer on the bottom of my index page. The rest of them don't until further notice. This third thing that we'll be doing is a mouse over, which that's on my contact page. And that will be in my form over sign up now for special offers, newsletters, and updates. And then the fourth thing is to revise all of my pages so that basically you can maneuver through each of the pages. And that's all in one accord. So let's move over. I already brought it up. Or did I? I guess I didn't. So here we are. This is the contact us page. But just to show you that you can maneuver throughout pages, this will take you to the home page. Drop down menus, mission and vision, feedback form. I haven't put a newsletter yet. It's coming. It'll take you to your other pages where, you can do your carts, add up your totals and everything, remove. Yep. You can go over to the feedback form. Let's stay connected. You can enter all the things, just like the last time, and you can reset it, send it. That's what I'm currently working on, my PHP. And then this one here, the trouble word, it also take you back to the home page too. So just in case you get lost, there's also a search engine too. But yep, everything's here. My 4 rotating images. And what was the other one? Go through all the pages, and I think that is it. Because we have different sub options within them. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah.